Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and burnt-out motors. Our top 5 blenders crush ice, blend greens, and stay powerful for years, plus 2 wallet-friendly picks that still deliver silky smooth results. Your morning routine just got an upgrade. Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started. Our number 1 pick is Vitamix 5200 Blender. Vitamix blenders are known for their durability, and the 52000 is no exception. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to last for years of heavy use, making it a sound investment for anyone serious about cooking or blending. The 64-ounce container provides ample space for preparing large batches of food, making it ideal for families or entertaining guests. You can easily blend enough smoothies or soups for multiple people at once, saving time in the kitchen. Despite its size, the container is designed to fit comfortably under most kitchen cabinets, making it a great option for kitchens of all sizes. With its 2-horsepower motor, the Vitamix 5200 easily blends even the toughest ingredients, including frozen fruits, fibrous vegetables, and ice. Whether you're making creamy smoothies, silky soups, or thick batters, the blender's motor ensures a smooth, consistent texture every time. The variable speed dial lets you adjust the blending speed to suit your needs, giving you complete control over the texture of your creations. From finely ground powders to chunky textured blends, the Vitamix 5200 does it all. Our second best blenders for smoothies is Ninja BL610 Professional Countertop Blender. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its 1000-watt motor base, which ensures that even the toughest ingredients, such as frozen fruit, ice, and nuts, are blended into smooth perfection. The total crushing technology incorporates large, razor-sharp blades that work in tandem with the powerful motor to crush ice, break down frozen fruits, and blend tough ingredients effortlessly. This makes it perfect for creating smooth, creamy smoothies, refreshing frozen drinks, or even more complex recipes like salsas, soups, and nut butters. One of the standout features of the Ninja BL610 is its 1000-watt motor base, which ensures that even the toughest ingredients, such as frozen fruit, ice, and nuts, are blended into smooth perfection. The total crushing technology incorporates large, razor-sharp blades that work in tandem with the powerful motor to crush ice, break down frozen fruits, and blend tough ingredients effortlessly. This makes it perfect for creating smooth, creamy smoothies, refreshing frozen drinks, or even more complex recipes like salsas, soups, and nut butters. The 72-ounce pitcher is large enough to accommodate multiple servings, making it a great option for families, parties, or meal prep. It's designed to handle large quantities of ingredients, so you can blend everything at once without needing to make multiple batches. The pitcher is BPA-free, ensuring safe use for all types of food and drinks, and the pour spout ensures easy, mess-free serving. Third in our list is NutriBullet Pro 900-watt Personal Blender. Unlike bulky countertop blenders, the NutriBullet Pro is compact and space-saving. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or office use. The one-speed operation makes it incredibly easy to use. Just push and twist to blend. No complicated buttons or settings, just straightforward blending when you need it. The included 13-piece set offers great versatility. It comes with multiple cups, including tall and short ones, to-go lids, lip rings, and an extractor blade, making it easy to customize your blends and take them on the go. The champagne color adds a touch of elegance and style to your kitchen setup. At the heart of the NutriBullet Pro is its 900-watt high-torque motor, which delivers impressive performance for a personal blender. Number 4. In our best blenders for smoothies list is Black plus Decker Power Crush Countertop Blender. If you're looking for a quality blender for smoothies, sauces, and general kitchen prep without spending a fortune, the Power Crush is a great pick. The Power Crush lives up to its name, featuring a 700-watt motor that powers through most ingredients with ease. While it's not the most powerful blender on the market, it handles common kitchen tasks like smoothies, shakes, and chopping fruits or vegetables impressively well. Thanks to 4 intuitive speed settings, low, high, ice crush, and pulse, you can easily customize your blending to match the task at hand. It may struggle a little with very hard or frozen items if overloaded, but for regular daily use, the performance is more than adequate. The stainless steel 4-tip blade uses Black plus Decker's Fusion Blade technology, which helps create a consistent blend by drawing ingredients down toward the blades for smoother results. While it won't achieve ultra-silky textures like high-end blenders, it performs reliably for smoothies, dips, batters, and more. Our 5th pick is Blendtec Total Blender Classic. At the heart of the Blendtec Total Blender is a 1560-watt motor that delivers outstanding power. It effortlessly pulverizes fruits, vegetables, ice, and even tougher ingredients like nuts or seeds with ease. Whether you're blending a green smoothie in the morning or preparing a hot soup in the evening, this blender gets the job done quickly and efficiently. Its strength means fewer stops to stir or push ingredients down, which makes blending a breeze. The included 75-ounce 4-side jar is made from durable, BPA-free plastic that's both lightweight and impact-resistant. It's designed to create a vortex that pulls ingredients toward the blades for thorough blending, and its square shape helps eliminate dead zones. The jar is large enough for family-sized servings, but still compact enough to fit easily under most cabinets. With its sleek black finish and solid build, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic looks as good as it performs. In this list, we pick more 2 best smoothie blenders for you. You can also choose any of them. So number 6 this video is Ninja BN701 Professional Plus Blender. What sets the BN701 apart from many blenders in its class is its 1400-watt motor, which packs serious blending power. It can handle just about anything you throw into it, from fibrous fruits and leafy greens to frozen fruits and ice cubes, with minimal effort. The total crushing blades live up to their name, easily turning ice into snow and making frozen drinks smooth and consistent. If you're into protein shakes, fruit smoothies, or slushy cocktails, this blender won't disappoint. Our last pick is Hamilton Beach Power Elite Wave Action Blender for Smoothies. Whether you're making smoothies, purees, or frozen drinks, it handles the job with consistency and ease. One of the highlights of the Power Elite is the 40-ounce glass jar, which adds a level of sturdiness and durability that plastic jars often lack. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup super easy. The blender itself has a compact design and doesn't take up too much counter space. The black finish looks sleek and matches most kitchen decors. The blender features 12 different functions, all accessible through 5 simple buttons. These functions include chopping, mixing, pureeing, and crushing ice, giving users plenty of flexibility in the kitchen. Whether you're making morning smoothies, sauces for dinner, or a weekend frozen margarita, the preset options help streamline the process.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!